mamaya, sa punong-puno na to, titestingin natin para matutulak ang Infinity. Matesting natin lahat. Wala tayong makakalimutan.
Ayan, na-turn over natin yung project natin sa Mindoro. Masaya-masaya yung client natin together with Architect Erwin. So hopefully wala tayong maging problema along the way. Pero pag meron, alam mo naman, binabalikan natin yan. So kung kailangan nyo ng swimming pool equipment, swimming pool materials, house construction, swimming pool construction, anything about swimming pool, nakakarating tayo kahit saan. Mula Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Kaya kung ayaw mo ng problema, ayaw mo ng sakit ng ulo, at gusto mo sigurado, alam mo na kung sino hanapin mo. Yung makokontak mo pa rin kahit fully paid ka na. Ito ulit si Tito Sai at your service.